Hi guys, it's me again, Miss Aljade, and welcome to the last video about angles. This time we are going to talk about coterminal angles. Now, when do we say that angles are coterminal? Angles are coterminal if and only if they have the same initial side and terminal side. Again, they are considered coterminal if they share the same initial and terminal side. Notice angle alpha and angle beta on your screen. Their initial side is this one, and their terminal side is this. Vertex at 0, 0. Same goes on the other angle. Initial side here on the x-axis, and your terminal side is on quadrant 1. They share the same initial and terminal side, which makes us consider them coterminal angles. Now, question. Given an angle, how do we solve for the coterminal angles? Again, given an angle, how do we solve for its coterminal angles? Take note, you also have to take note that there are infinitely many coterminal angles on a given angle. So how do we solve them? Or how do we get them? We would just simply add or subtract 360 degrees. Notice number 1. This is number 1. Example. We have 60 degrees as a given angle. Now, how do we solve for the coterminal angle of 60? We just have to add 360 to 60 and make it, and that's 420 degrees. That means that one coterminal angle of 60 is 420. We could also try to add multiple of 360 to your given angle, and that's still its coterminal angle. Let's say 60 plus 720, and that's 780. 780 is the coterminal angle or a coterminal angle of your 60-degree. We might want to subtract 360. So we have 60 minus 360 degrees. That's equal to negative 300 degrees. And that means negative 300 degrees right here is also a coterminal angle of your 60 degrees. Again, there are infinitely many coterminal angles on a given angle. Let's have example number 2. Example number 2 is 110 degrees. Now we can solve for the coterminal angle of 110 by adding multiples of 360. So I might want to add 360, so you have 470 degrees. Or I might want to add another multiple of 360, which is 720, and that's 830, which is shown on the given. We might as well subtract 360 to it. Sorry, clear. 110 minus 360 degrees is equal to negative 250 degrees. And negative 250 right here is still a coterminal angle of 110 degrees. Let's have some exercises. Find the angles of smallest possible positive measure coterminal with each angle. Again, we just have to find the smallest positive coterminal angle of the given angles. So we have 1115 and negative 187. What to do? We just have to add or subtract 360 as many times as needed to obtain an angle with measure greater than 0 but less than 360, because we are asked for the smallest positive measure, smallest positive coterminal angle. So the measure should be 0 to 360 degrees. Now what to do? Let's have letter A. We have 1115 minus 360, and that is 755. Not yet the smallest for sure. 755 minus, well, you are sure that you can deduct 720 because you know that 720 is a multiple of 360. So you have 35 degrees, all in degrees, sorry. Therefore, the smallest positive coterminal angle of 1115 is 35 degrees. Now we have negative 187 degrees. Since this is negative, you wouldn't want to subtract 360 in here because you'll end up on a negative number or a negative angle. You would rather add 360 to your negative 187. And basically, that's the smallest coterminal angle of your 187, which is 173 degrees. So that's it for coterminal angles. Stay safe and stay sane. Adios.